A statistic says 30% of pedestrian accidents are associated to zebra crossing. I remember back then in school when we do wait at the edge of zebra crossing, waiting for cars, vehicles to stop so we could use the zebra crossing. We jokingly ask ourselves sometimes, are you a zebra? Some will even walk majestically while crossing, expecting every car, every vehicle, every motorcycle, every public transport to stop because they are using the zebra crossing and because they are equally a citizen and they have right to the road. While this should be the norm, we need to understand the areas of human behavior and equipment failure. We need to understand the area of our own personal safety. Ask yourself, what if the equipment fails? What if the vehicle fails? Ask yourself the question, what if the person is insane? What if the person is mentally retarded? Or what if the person just received a heart attack or shock, a sudden shock while driving? You need to understand what could affect human decision and human behavior. We need to apply these assumptions and make use of it while using the zebra crossing. We should assume that what if anything goes wrong and walk briskly while using the zebra crossing. We should be very observant while using the zebra crossing. You don't need to prove a point that the road also belongs to you. Pedestrian safety has become a cause of concern as we have recorded high numbers of injuries, deaths to pedestrians. Be on our space on Safety Moment with Waliola as we keep discussing about pedestrian safety. Remember to share this video, remember to like this video, and remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Enjoy the rest of the day. Bye.